job creation efforts have contributed to reduced crime rates by providing individuals with legitimate opportunities. In addition to that, the government would have instituted several social initiatives to address poverty. Poverty. Remember, I told you earlier that I'm not a conservative. I do not believe in equity. People who hear talk about equitable distribution of wealth don't know a thing what I'm talking about. There are social levels in society, but wealth must reach all the levels through economic empowerment, not through distribution. You don't just take money, give people some. You empower people, you train them, you point them to opportunities, you invest in the human capital. That's where you put the wealth, not in their hands. Because I can tell you this, if you put $1 million in many Jamaicans' hand tonight, then don't have none tomorrow morning. Don't have none. Then just drink, then just smoke, then just gal it out. Well, not gal, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's true, then buy front. It's a transformation of the mind. So, Mr. Holness, prosperity is not in the pocket, sir. Prosperity is not in the pockets. Prosperity is in the mind.